turn off.
It's my delight.
It's gross.
It's pretty good.
Boobs. Boobs. I see boobs. Boobs.
I like the video. Don't put it on YouTube though.
Everything goes on YouTube.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're excited.
I'll just hung out with you enough to know that.
Obviously.
Yeah. Look, Tony. Tony, it's Tony. Tony. I haven't been on the phone with him for a while. No.
Is that Logan?
You're so gross. You made my camera fall.
Devin, did you see what I did?
No.
I was trying to get Logan. I don't like this. But
Ew. It's hot, isn't it?
with the computer?
Yeah.
That's all blue.
Tits. Tits!
Your mama's coming back. Yeah. She be there.
Oh God. Don't
Chibi
ask.
Durf. Chibi Durf, remember him? I thought he's gonna be my boyfriend one day. He's so hot. He's cute.
Oh, look at Devin's eyeball. Huh? Oh my God, that would be such a cute picture.
What?